As the sun start shine and the cock start crow, me a brief we go sit down on the fence next row. On the ends, me no trouble miss chain, me no touch past Joe, but them always a run me after them fence, you know. Chain, where me pants there? I want to run them, boy. Me just paint the fence. As the sun start shine and the cock start crow, me a brief we go sit down on the fence next row. On the ends, me no trouble miss chain, me no touch past Joe, but them always a run me after them fence, you know.
The dreaded coronavirus has reached our shores, and within days it has spread like wildfire just by coming in contact with those who has it. The health authorities are asking the public to stay away from those who are infected because it is highly contagious.
Hey, Fraff. Wagwan, man. Nothing. Me there taking some news. About that thing you were just come in. Thing? What thing? Who that? The corona, man. Oh, hey, Fraff. A long time me I watch them car there, you know. Hey, them car they fast, you know, man. So that one the way you talk about a with here. Cause then go by here, you know, Fraff. Yo, you lost, you know, Bubba. What you talk about? How me feel laugh? Now right after me and you there reef. What you talk about, Fraff? Two of them you have. You have Toyota Corolla and you have Toyota Corona. So me no know what you talk about. But me laugh. Yeah, you no know what you say. Yo, Bubba, go easy, man. Cause me not talk the car. Oh, then why you never say so? Me drink the beer too, but the beer soft. You can't even drink from it. Me no know what kind of thing that them a put in a bottle of talk about a beer. Corona beer. Me no like that the beer there. You like it, Fraff? Me not talk about that, Bubba. Me a talk about something we come over news today. You not hear about it? Oh, you mean the something where the government a talk about and them say them have mostly 2 people now inside them. Why them lucky, man? Because right now, them say you go in there and you get treatment, right? You can't suffer. You get all kind of treatment. But me, them did have me inside our room with some other people. And them say you're liable to get this same corona beer. But me never like how them treat you inside there. Because them a joke you up with all kind of something. So, I don't know. I never get no corona beer. It's not the corona beer. After me left them full room with them call quarantine, me a call for enough Fraff. Warm to him. Hey boy, move from the fence to the corona self.